Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 14.1, and if I sound a little weird, it's because, or different, it's because I'm trying to do right now, for the microphone through the SP404 Mark II, and I'll show you why in a second, because well, I'll just tell you, the first thing that we have here on the input effects that you get to by holding shift and external source, and then you push in your value knob to get in, is auto pitch. So right now it is, maybe I should turn this up a little, see if that helps. Anyway, with auto pitch, and to get so this knob allows you to you can turn it while it's highlighted, and you can select through. If you push in again, you can highlight the different rows that you want to edit for your effects settings. I actually kind of like this effects view compared to how it's done from your MFX, but this is what we get. Anyway, right now with the balance set to 100-0, it is a fully dry setting, and if I go
all the way over to clockwise, it is now 100% wet.
So again, 100% dry. If it's 100-0, it's dry. If it's 0-100, you're
all the way wet.
So you do fun stuff. The thing that you can do here, and I'll just go over the settings real quick, is you've got pitch, which allows you to adjust your voice up or down, or whatever the voice you're putting in, whether it's your voice or an instrument or something else. You can use the algorithm to pitch up and down, up to one octave, or up to one octave up. So here we'll do that again. So this is what my voice sounds like with a 100% pitch up. It's just one octave up. And this is what my voice will sound like with the pitch all the way to -100. So you can see you get a little bit of an artifact in your voice. If I turn that off again for a second. The Formant is kind of considered to do a little bit more of a setting where it will adjust things to be at the minus settings more masculine, or the positive settings more feminine. So let's crank that all the way up.
And this is what my voice sounds like running with -100 Formant.
And this is what my voice sounds like with 100 Formant.
So, it depends. Do you want to sound like a chipmunk or not? The Formant can kind of get you there. And obviously, I'm just doing extreme values at the moment, but this allows you to kind of set those things. The at pitch, I don't think that at means at by itself. I think it's attack or something. The manual's not 100% clear on that, but this adjusts the strength where your pitch is corrected. It's a value from 0 to 100. So if I go all the way to 100, and we'll adjust the balance, this is what my voice sounds like with 0 on it. I don't know there's that much of a change for how it's using this key value, but you can hear it's adding a bit more aggressive pitch correction at 100, and I can then do stuff like use the key here, and it will adjust to a specific key that it's pitch correcting to. So I can turn the robot on and get a really fun robot voice. Let's go back. Okay, stop going crazy here. So these settings are pretty good for if you want to use your own voice, you want to kind of do some adjustments to it. I would say the vocal settings here, they're not bad. It's pretty decent. You've got from the keys, you've got chroma all the way through A flat. So you can adjust which pitch or which key that you're being pitch corrected to. You can't adjust whether or not, like what kind of scale you're in. So you might need to either do some math or figure that out on your own. But I mean, you do have some pretty good settings here for being able to do some mic work and record in from a microphone. So I hope that helps you guys out. It gives you some ideas of what you can do with the auto pitch. As I said, you can even use this on other instruments or things. I just have the microphone hooked up right now and didn't think it would be a great idea to be unplugging and plugging stuff in. If you wanted to go play around with it, whether you use it on a guitar or some other tuned content, you can get some pretty interesting results. Might not all be useful, but I would say, it's geared more towards vocal work. So anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully this gives you some ideas, and we'll catch up again soon. Bye-bye.